Leica BLK2FLY. The world's first fully integrated LiDAR unmanned aerial vehicle is the Leica BLK2FLY. This autonomous flying laser scanner is outfitted with sophisticated obstacle avoidance technology, which makes it exceptionally simple to capture reality from the air. The purpose of this device is to construct three-dimensional point clouds while flying by capturing the exteriors of buildings, structures, and settings. It is simple to operate the BLK2FLY. All you have to do is define the area you want to scan, push a button, and it is ready to take flights. In addition to that, it has an indoor mode that may be used to scan huge indoor areas. Reality Cloud Studio allows for the direct uploading of data from the BLK2FLY, which can then be used for storage, visualization, and collaborative purposes. BLK2FLY Live app for iPad is the remote control mechanism that allows it to function.